All right, so I got a free wiper because somebody doesn't know how to read instructions. Quick story, somebody at work purchased a wiper this weekend at a crappy tire. It was this one of hybrids, one, never seen this before, with a funny head. And anyway, so he didn't know how to use it, to install it on a normal J-hook. So we went to the dealer on Monday, got a new one, and I got a new wiper, which is good because my J-hook, a very normal, broke one part early this winter, and lately with all the freezing rain, it was all loose. So I'm going to replace. So at first looking at the head, I find it kind of funny, trying to do all kind of stuff. But I finally pull the instruction after a minute or two, and it's very easy. You see you have roulettes on each side, and all you have to do is press on them and turn, and voila. And to close it, the same thing. You have to use the roulettes. So basically, you'll enter your J-hook like the normal wipers. Obviously, it's one hand, so it's harder, but I'll manage. Actually, I'll change hand. It's just easier with two hands, but I don't want to break it, so I'll be extra gentle. Et voila. And once in, you click that cap, that's it. Remove the little plastic here, and voila, got a new free wiper. Hopefully will last me more than a year. And also, if your wipers are still in good condition, you may want to use just like a alcohol wipe and wipe your blade. You'll see all kind of gunk and junk coming out. So quickly read the instructions. Just look at the image. They show exactly here how to use them and how to turn the roulette if you get those hybrids. So take care, bye.